Hi everyone, welcome back to Solidity Basics. In this section, we'll be covering functions. So, functions, as they work in other languages, have a name, they take in some input values, run some logic on it, and then return some values. These input and output values can be primitive values or arrays and strings, etc., but they can't be mappings. The return keyword is used to return the values. In some cases, this can be omitted, like if we have the values assigned already, or if we are not returning any value. So let's go through the example code here. In the first function, we are returning multiple values. In the second function, we see that we can name the return values and then return them. And in this example, we see that if we assign values to these names while the function is executing, we don't need to use the return statement and return them specifically. In this example, we see that we can omit some of the return values if we don't need them. We just need to leave them out. So you can see that here that we are assigning x and y to 4 and 6, and we are leaving out 5 here. This is how we leave out values while assigning them. Again, we can take arrays for input and output but not mappings, and we can also use key value pairs for input. So let's say we have a function signature defined as this uint 256xyz address a bool b string memory c. If this is a function signature, we can pass in the values while calling the function in any sequence as long as we get the key value mapping right. So that's how we can call functions with key value inputs. This is a fairly straightforward thing. I don't think there's much need for me to demonstrate this specifically on Remix ID. So I'll move on to the next video.